If you live in Canada or the Rust Belt, you know the drill. You are driving through a chemical bath every single day. And look, for my detailing work, I used to think rust was inevitable.
A Triad woman bought a used car and quickly found out it needed repairs worth thousands of dollars. She was out of luck until she called. She wants to know. It's Kevin Kennedy.
The car drives okay.
This is the car Michelle Kraft has now. And this
Your frame's completely rusted out.
is the car she used to have.
Bad rust, to the point it can break in pieces. You know, the frame can break in pieces.
Michelle paying $5,000 for the car, not knowing how bad or unsafe it is.
He said,
Like it was just going to happen no matter what. But that is not true. I found a way to keep cars looking showroom fresh, literally forever. It's actually easier than you think. We are not going to let the salt win. We are going to fight back. This protects your brake lines, it saves your subframes, and it keeps your resale value through the roof. So in this video, I'm breaking down the rust defense system I use. I'll show you why oil-based protection is, honestly, it's a game changer. I'll show you the smart way to treat a new car, and the $15 DIY spray that works like magic. Plus, the interior hack that saves your carpets. First, let's talk washing. Oh man, this is the satisfying part. But shiny paint, that's just for looks. The real victory is underneath. You park in a heated garage? Okay, pro tip, wash it first. If you park a salty car in a warm garage, you are basically baking the rust into the metal. Do not do that. In winter, aim for a wash every 2 weeks. Skip the hood, skip the roof. Focus 90% of your energy on the wheel wells and the undercarriage. Blast those crevices clean and just watch the salt disappear. Now, coatings, the fun stuff. Skip the rubberized spray. Seriously. The winner is oil-based sprays, like Crown or Rust Check. It creeps into seams, it protects the metal, it actively fights for you. Want the budget secret? Fluid film. This stuff is incredible. It's lanolin-based, so it's non-toxic, and it self-heals. Hit the suspension bolts, the lower control arms, the door seams. A quick spray in November means 0 headaches in April. Best $15 you will ever spend. Now, for the inside, let's keep it cozy. I love a clean interior, but flat mats, they fail. The slush just slides right off. You need tub-style mats. Tux Mat, WeatherTech HP, they are guardians. They trap the slush like a bucket. You lift them out, rinse them off, and the carpet underneath is still perfect. Rust isn't the end of the world. With a little love and the right mats, your car can last a lifetime. If you're ready to keep your ride flawless, like and subscribe. Stay shiny, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.